Welcome to the Market Intel Database, one of the most powerful government contracting and business development research tools available. This Getting Started video will help you better understand how to find and use the most powerful tools available with your Market Intel Database subscription. By now, you've probably already worked with a FedBiz Access representative to create your profile in the Market Intel system using a combination of keywords, industry codes, and work area geography. By setting this up specifically for your business, we make sure you see all the opportunities that match your profile. With a configured profile, you will receive daily email alerts for federal, state, and local contract award opportunities. But what if you want to dig deeper and search for opportunities within the Market Intel database? Start by clicking Research All Open Solicitations. To begin a search query, type in a keyword or an NAICS code, or any of the other search criteria, such as set-aside contracts. Click Search and the Market Intel database will display all relevant solicitations. Results tagged with a county or city are state and local opportunities. If you click the link, it will take you to the corresponding website. Results with a federal agency will be a federal opportunity. Clicking the link will take you to sam.gov. On the main menu, the buttons below Research All Open Solicitations will be pre-configured specifically for your business. Clicking the Just My Opportunities button will display opportunities based on your profile configuration and mirrors your daily email bid opportunities, only it's updated multiple times daily. Just My Folder is an organizational folder system that allows you to easily bookmark items available throughout the Market Intel database website for easier access for both yourself and your colleagues. All Government Contractors allows you to search for any business that is doing or has done business with the government. Here's an example search. Click View Details to view contact information and the business's award history. Back at the main menu, under the Research section, the Expiring Contracts option will enable you to search for expiring contracts based on the criteria you type in or select. You can review contracts that are set to expire up to 5 years in advance, and export the data in spreadsheet format, forward it in an email, or add it to a folder. Contracting Officers allows you to search all government purchasing agents that deal with your industry based on keyword, NAICS, and other criteria. Click Search and the Market Intel database will display the contracting officer's name and contact information. You can also export this data, share, or save to a folder. Subcontracting Award History allows you to view prime contractors, who they subcontracted with, and for how much. That concludes our quick start video tutorial. We hope it helps you better understand how to harness the power of the Market Intel database, where you get informed, get connected, and get results.